watching. Welcome back to our EatSleepYangon channel. Today I will be your host. I'm Green. Now right at there is Tamui Market bus stop. So you can see many street food. Let's go check it out.
Làm đi mà, làm mong gái nhung. Mong gái nhung.
I bought this one. It's called a mo tai cho. They made with flour and there's egg and coconut. They mix together. So I will try how this tastes. It's a little hot and a little winey. Wow! The egg is very soft and a little winey, but coconut cheese is very sweet. Yeah, that is so tasty. Yeah. A little sweet and a little winey, but I feel very good. Yeah, it's one of the Myanmar traditional dessert. The price is only 400 Myanmar peso, which is 20 cents. It's very good. Wow! Now my order is arrived. It's called one kind of noodle. So it's called Ka San Road. Yeah, it's just like a soup. And then the ingredient is chicken, mushroom, and especially it's a glass noodle. Yeah, and then it's a family too. It's butter mashed with their onion and a little hot. Yeah. So now I will try it, and then you can choose with their lemon and there is chili powder. So I try with spicy. There's a sour. Yeah. Is very great, a little spicy because I choose spice. Yeah. The taste is very great and so delicious. Yeah. Now I want to try. Wow, it's a chicken. Very healthy food, and the price is only 1,000 Myanmar peso, which is 60 cents. import the different types of pickles. This is a side dish, so we eat with their fish base. And the ingredients are spring beans broth and watercress and cheese. And also, yeah, the cheese is I think a little sour. So the price is only 300 Myanmar cents, so which is over 10 cents. Do you know this flower name? It's called a green golden flower. It's so beautiful, right? And we are offered to our border, and this price is only 1,000 Myanmar cents, so which is 60 cents only. Today I went around there Tamri Market Festival, so let me stop my video here. I hope you like my video. If you also like this one and this one, see you next time. Bye bye.